Throughout life, your joints take a beating. Daily activities such as walking, running, skiing, construction work, and lifting put a lot of stress on your joints. This general wear and tear, in addition to old injuries and some medical conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, can cause damage to the joint. If you are over the age of 50 and experiencing pain in your hips or knees, especially after going up hills or stairs, if joint pain is keeping you from doing the things you love, or if joint pain sets in after an active day, you should make an appointment with one of our joint experts at Glenwood Orthopedic Center. They will evaluate your symptoms, discuss your treatment options, and get you back to your best self. When you first see one of our orthopedic specialists at Glenwood Orthopedic Center, you will receive a comprehensive evaluation consisting of a hands-on physical assessment and discussion of your specific symptoms and how they are impacting your life. A thorough evaluation includes obtaining imaging studies that help provide a view into your joint problems. This usually starts with an X-ray evaluation and may also include more advanced imaging, such as an MRI or CT scan, depending on your specific symptoms. X-rays are conveniently performed in the office at Glenwood Orthopedic Center, just steps from your clinical exam room, which saves you time and money and immediately gives you the information needed to make the best decision for your care. If an advanced imaging study is included in your evaluation or treatment plan, the radiology department at Valley View provides exceptional advanced imaging services at the most competitive prices in the Roaring Fork Valley, and they are located just down the elevator from Glenwood Orthopedic Center. When determining a treatment plan, you can be assured that the specialists at Glenwood Orthopedic Center will discuss all options to manage your condition in the way that is best for you. Oftentimes, this may be without performing surgery. If you haven't already, your orthopedic provider may have you try conservative treatments to help with your joint pain prior to proceeding with surgery. These can include physical therapy, anti-inflammatory medications, joint injections, and the use of assistive devices. If you ultimately decide on surgery, you're going to want to be at a facility like Valley View, where we've linked the highest levels of expertise, technology, and service. From complimentary valet parking to the latest in surgical technology, including robotic-assisted procedures, to individualized post-operative nursing and therapy, we are dedicated to ensuring you receive personalized, exceptional care throughout your entire surgical experience, from the moment you walk through the door until you are fully recovered. At Valley View, exceptional care means you will have a private room in the hospital where you will stay until you are safe to return home or to a nursing facility. It means your recovery nurse will utilize individualized interventions to make sure you are comfortable and your pain is well controlled during your stay. It means you will work one-on-one with skilled therapists who will develop detailed treatments to build your strength and balance while keeping you safe and supported during your recovery. It means that your surgeon and their team will always be available when you need them, even after you go home, by phone or online messaging, accessible 24/7. Regardless of whether you're ready for surgery or simply concerned about joint health, Glenwood Orthopedic Center is the best choice for your joint care needs. Call us to schedule an appointment and we'll set you up with one of our orthopedic specialists who can go over your specific needs.